When you work in and around heavy-duty vehicles and equipment, safety should be everyone's top priority. However, more and more incidents are taking place on our roadways. The numbers are too high. Trends show fatalities, injuries, and property damage accidents are on the rise. Safety technology can help. PRECO Electronics is proud to present PreView Side Defender, the world's most advanced side object detection radar system. The larger the vehicle, the larger the blind zones, and the greater the potential for a deadly side blind zone accident. Drivers need to be equipped with the right tools to help them operate safely on today's busy roadways. They need to know what can't be seen. At higher speeds, Side Defender's intelligent technology detects moving objects only. Ignoring those that are stationary, such as guardrails, helps keep drivers focused on what matters most. Engineered to work in the most extreme environments, rain, snow, sleet, or fog, Side Defender is built tough to operate effectively all the time, every time, day and night. When combined with PreView Sentry, drivers will be confident knowing they have the most effective, most complete blind spot coverage at the worksite and on the road. Once an accident happens, you can't go back. With PreView Side Defender from PRECO Electronics, you're protecting people, property, and your bottom line with the most advanced side object detection solution on the planet. PreView Side Defender by PRECO Electronics.